Tired of struggling with low tire pressure or wasting time waiting at crowded gas stations? Imagine having a fast, reliable way to keep your tires perfectly inflated wherever you go. Meet the Airmoto BP198 Tire Inflator with digital dual values display, your convenient all-in-one solution for safer, smoother drives. About the product. The Airmoto is a compact, portable tire inflator for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bikes, quickly inflating tires up to 120 psi. It features a digital pressure gauge with multiple units, a built-in LED flashlight, a deflate button, and a storable air hose. Powered by a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, it's small enough to fit in your glove box or trunk for convenient use anytime. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Airmoto BP198 Quick Connector, User Manual, Air Nozzles. Product description: air release valve, hose connector, storage hole for hose, LED light, USB Type-C port, measured pressure, mode, preset pressure value, battery level, unit switching LED light, power or inflation on, off, working mode, preset plus or minus, hose button. How to use. First, connect the air hose. No tools are needed, simply tighten by hand. Then set the desired pressure using the arrow buttons. Press the up arrow to increase or the down arrow to decrease. Once pressure is set, press the air button. Airmoto will now inflate the tire to the set pressure. The unit will automatically shut off when the correct pressure is met. How to recharge. To charge the tire inflator, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.